Hey guys, I have a new upgrade for my 2015 Suzuki gsxr 750. I will be replacing uh, this sprocket over here. I will be using this driven sprocket, which is made out of aluminum. Very lightweight sprocket, and also I will be using these sprocket nuts to replace the stock one too, and that way kind of match everything together. So first I have to remove the wheel. So the first thing I have to remove is this axle nut from here with I think this is a 32 millimeter socket, so I have to remove it. And behind is a washer. Make sure you have it together. Put it up away together. Okay, this is one of the adjusters also. So now I have to go to the other side of the to remove this bolt that holds the caliper to the rudder. I will be putting a couple pieces of wood on the bottom on the tire, and that way the tire doesn't drop all the way to the ground like this. Okay, so now I can start to unbolt this bolt that holds the caliper. See, like this. That one, it was 6 millimeter Allen key. All right. So now I can with that rubber mallet, I'm just gonna gentle hit the axle to go to the other side, and that way I can remove the wheel. So once it's like that, so you can gentle pull little by little the axle in itself. See, it just came off already. All right. Okay, put it away. Now we can disassemble the whole caliper with this base. See, this is that's the base right there, that it holds together the caliper with the axle itself. So you just put it apart like that. Okay, so now you have to free the wheel from the chain. I just want to use something in here, and that way I don't scratch the whole swing arm. See, just like that. So see, so once you've done that, pretty much the whole wheel is gonna come off like this. See, just roll it out, and now remove all these nuts, which I will be doing with a, what is this one? 14 millimeter socket. It's doable. Okay. All right, spin the wheel a little bit like this. Okay. All right, so once you've done that, pretty much you have to just place the new sprocket in there like this. Okay, so once you have it like that, you pretty much are ready to install the new nuts on this one. Okay guys, so at this point I'm ready to install my sprocket nuts. So basically I will be using blue thread locker on these ones, and also I will be using my torque to make sure they stay on place with the torque specifications for these ones. Okay, so basically you just put them on, all of them, and then when you tie, once you're ready to torque them, tie them in the like a star pattern. Like if you do this one, then do that one, then do this one, that one, and that one, and such, and that way you tie them properly. So now pretty much I'm ready to put the wheel back on the bike. So stay tuned, and that way you can see the difference between this sprocket, and the stock one. All right. Hey guys, I put everything back together the same way it was before. Tie everything up, torque everything. It was supposed to be torque to the specifications, and this is the way it looks when you finish. Take a look at it. It's a little bit of work, but I think it looks much better, this one, than the stock one. Alright guys, thank you for watching.